Don't trust all the 2020 investment updates flooding your inbox or crowding your YouTube feed. All they'll do is trigger our FOMO. The investor who bought Amazon at 48 says, buy this stock now. And that's how they get us to sign up for their course, join their program, all to chase the things that we have already missed. After the market correction in March, you'd have to have the worst luck possible not to have ended the year with a substantial gain if you didn't sell everything. This is your 2-minute warning. I'm James Callahan. The S&P 500 averaged over 18% return for 2020. And unless you got too active, you ended up on the year. If you had your money in the market but didn't match that return, it's because you thought you were smarter than everybody else. It's called the market timing fallacy. Now, I'm not a financial professional, and this is not a recommendation. This is for educational purposes only. I just want to boost your confidence with whatever you choose to do with your money. Whether it's to buy an expensive Macau that will probably outlive you, buy Tesla options, or maybe hide your money in that mattress. Seriously, I wouldn't do any of those, but remember, I'm not a financial professional. The market timing fallacy is that some of us believe we can always buy low and sell high so consistently, so successfully, that we'll always do better than just buying something of quality and holding it. Something that's more stable, not time-killing options where theta is our enemy. So the alternative to the market timing fallacy is that time in the market has better returns than trying to time the market. Own it, trust it, move your money before you spend it into an investment account, put it to work, and then leave it alone. But Dr. Callahan, I don't have that kind of time. Yes, you do. That little voice telling you don't have enough time, that would be FOMO, and it's trying to scare you. FOMO is telling you it's too late. You have to chase, always chase. If FOMO becomes your trigger, you'll find yourself on an endless treadmill, going nowhere fast. The alternative? Hurry up, invest it, and then don't touch it, especially on those days when the market is up big or down big. Turn your FOMO from chasing the next Tesla to chasing patience. FOMO is real, so turn it into something that can help you, not just hurt you. I'll let you learn more about the market timing fallacy, and I'll put a couple links in the description below. Hey, and while you're there, could you tap the like button? It really helps.